have this pain since forever. I had an injury since 1999.
Welcome to our office. All right, ma'am. We're gonna go with your paperwork now. So let's see. And you work as, what do you do for work?
I used to have a school bus service.
Okay.
I drive one bus.
Okay.
And then the pandemic came.
Right.
So we don't have classes anymore, so I'm out of work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear. Yeah, it's been a long time, too,
Yes.
like a year and a half now.
Yes.
So hopefully face-to-face returns soon.
Hope so.
Fingers crossed. So, you've never seen a chiropractor,
Never.
and you got some back pain, is that correct, right here?
Yes.
Tell me more about the back pain. You got a lot of physical stress at home and work. How did it start? 1998?
Yes. I was fixing a light bulb. Then I fell. My butt.
Oh.
Like that.
Yeah.
And then for a year, I was working then in an office, and for a year, I wasn't able to move the regular movement, as in walking. I was almost crawling on my knees and arms. Then I went to my family doctor, and he told me to go to a physical therapist. So I saw a physical therapist, and every year, that's what I do with my pain, my back pain. But it never goes away currently. Every year I have 14 sessions, and since the pandemic came, I never had physical therapy. So the pain is very, very, almost 100%.
Okay, let me get this straight. Go ahead and answer. So every year since your injury, you've had 14 sessions
Yes.
of physical therapy?
Yes.
Every year?
Every year.
Oh, wow. And zero chiropractic?
No.
Never had
Never.
chiropractic? You just kept trying physical therapy?
Yes.
14. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to hear you, I understand you correctly. And I'm sorry that to hear about your fall, and you're still suffering from it now.
Yes.
I mean, 1998, how many years is that? That's 12 years?
Yes.
It's been 12 years.
And then my work as a school bus driver.
You sit a lot.
Yes, I sit a
Yeah,
lot.
sit a
But
lot.
I can take 4 hours of driving traffic, then no work at all. I had 3 kids actually, and 1 nephew. When I got out of work, I need to work, so I decided to drive a bus.
Sure, yeah, absolutely. And especially yourself, you're in a lot of pain. It's
Yes.
been 12 years.
And I'm gaining weight every minute of it.
Yeah.
I cannot move like a normal person now. Just this morning I was cooking. I was just reaching for something, and then I moved. I think it locked my back, and the pain was very shaking. Yes.
So how does it affect your life? Like reaching or cooking or standing? How does it affect
I cannot cook. I can cook for an hour or 2, and then the rest of the day, I cannot move anymore. I have to lay down on the bed and have a hot pack on my back.
Right.
Put my leg up on 2 pillows, so I can move in the afternoon if I need to go to the bathroom or go outside to feed my dogs. And I have to do that. I cannot do the normal thing I do before. I used to bike. I used to walk, and then I go to the gym before, and now
Can't.
yeah.
Because of the pain.
Yes.
Okay. And how high is the pain, would you say, out of 10? 10 being the worst pain you ever felt. How high is it today out of 10, would you say?
Now I think it's 9.
9 out of 10, that's
Yes,
pretty
because
high.
the pain is here.
Oh, it goes on your leg too?
Yes. Now. It's here.
How far does it travel? Past the knee?
Here. And
Oh,
sometimes
right
I have
at
a pain
your
in my heel.
Your
Yes.
heel. Okay, so the sciatic nerve maybe or something, there's some pain down your side of your leg,
Yes,
is that
here.
correct? Being pinched. And how long have you had that? Ever since the fall?
Just a couple of years ago.
A couple years ago. All
And
right.
since I stopped I wasn't able to have the physical therapy last year, actually 2 years. Then the pain is started. It's very painful now.
Okay. So 9 out of 10 today, is that correct?
Yes.
That's really high. I'm sorry to hear that. Now, anything else? How's it other affect? I know you're cooking. You said a couple hours, and
Yes.
you're
I cannot
you cannot
carry
carry
things.
everything.
Yes,
Okay.
I cannot do that anymore. Sometimes I like when the pandemic came, they have the plants, gardening. I cannot carry the pot. And whenever my dogs, I have big dogs. I have given by a friend a Labrador. Whenever she came to me, I have to go to the back, brace myself because I can fall.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to fall. So I'm pretty careful in everyday things I do because I know I'm going to suffer after the pain.
Yeah. And what are you doing for your pain now these days? Instead of not having physical therapy, what else have you tried at home?
Just the pillow under my legs, and then couple of years ago, my son gave me a bag with the sand. You put it in a hot water or microwave, and then I put it hot pack.
A heat pack,
Yes.
Okay, anything else have you tried?
Sometimes if I cannot take the pain, but seldom I take pain medicine.
Okay.
But it doesn't work for me. I don't think it works for me.
Okay, the pain medicine.
Yes, it doesn't work for me.
Yes. And then you also checked out other stuff. Where's the numbness and tingling? Is that down your leg?
Yes, here.
Oh, okay. So there's pain and numbness and tingling.
Numbness here.
You also checked out or headaches here. How often are your headaches?
Twice a week.
Oh, 2 times a week?
Yes.
And how long does they last? When they come?
Usually I massage myself, so about an hour sometimes.
It stays for an hour?
Yes.
Your headaches?
Yes.
Okay, and is it in the morning or afternoon?
I
evening?
usually, sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I have a headache. Sometimes during night time.
Okay, so nighttime or in the morning, waking up with it, and it lasts about an hour
Yes.
if you massage yourself?
Then I massage myself if
Right.
I eat. I can take it.
Sure. And then you also checked off shortness of breath.
Yes.
How
Like
often
now,
does that happen?
when I feel the pain, especially now I'm sitting for a couple of minutes, so it's painful and that's.
You feel in the front?
Yes.
Ribs here? Okay, yeah, so what we're
I'm
gonna...
not sure about this also.
Yeah.
This one doesn't help either.
No, the masks don't help at all, yeah. So I'm just gonna complete here your paperwork. You have standing, walking, and sitting makes it worse
Yes.
for back pain. Okay. So let's improve that for you. And it's 9 out of 10 today.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right, so that's, I think I have enough information. What I'm gonna do, check your neck and your shoulder and all that too first, okay? So I'm looking at your posture, your high shoulder, you have a high shoulder on the left side. It's quite high, yeah, it's like this, yeah. So let's look down towards your feet. Any pain to your neck, shoulder, back at all?
Here.
Yeah, across your shoulder. Okay, look up. Any pain to your neck and shoulder, back pain? How high out of 10 is your shoulder pain? Right now?
5.
5 out of 10 right now. Okay, back to neutral. Turn your head left and right. Neck pain, shoulder pain.
No, something cracked. Just cracking.
No pain.
No pain.
Yeah, it's a little loose there. Okay, which I'm just gonna start at your feet. We're gonna see if your legs are even or not. Little short there. On the right side, not as. Yeah, your right leg is a little short, so let's get that more even for you. So your pelvis is rotated. Your spine. Couple spots here misaligned. I'm gonna help your shoulder be more balanced right here. Good. One more spot. Good.
Yeah. Good.
Good. Okay, stay right there. So what I'm gonna have you lay on your side now, please,
Right or left?
facing me.
Okay.
I'm gonna bend your top knee.
Oh. Shoot. I feel lightheaded. Good.
Good?
Yes, something's
Oh, yeah.
fading away.
What's fading away?
The pain.
The pain in the back?
Yeah, it's going down the pain.
Good.
Good.
Alright, on your back, face up for me. Give yourself a big hug. Your upper back right hand.
It's good. Oh. Good.
Good. One more spot.
Oh. It's good.
Okay. Yeah. Stay right there, Michelle, tonight. Get this leg more even, okay? Lay on this side, please. Bend your top knee. So this leg was short just a little bit.
Oh. The pain is slowly easing. Not that much like the 9 or 10. It's like 5 going to 4. It's good, doc. It's good. I feel good for almost 2 years, I think. All
Okay.
right. It's good, doc. It's good. I feel good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
First experience, it's good. Thank you. Oh my. Lord.
Okay, let's go face down. Let's see if your legs are even, yeah. Push more even now. Okay, we're all set.
I have this pain since forever. I had an injury since 1999. I've been having physical therapy most of the times since I have the injury. Since the lockdown, I didn't have my regular yearly physical therapy, so I had the pain from the back left side and the pain going down my left leg and also on my left shoulder. Since 1999, same thing, go back. And as a mom before, I was working as a school bus driver in the Manila traffic. 4 hours of driving is painful. I don't take drugs as much as I possibly can, And now it's the first time I try Dr. Kim, and first time after how many years, I feel the pain goes away. Thank you. Thank you, Doc. Thank you very much.